Okay, so I have this demonstration here with this piece of equipment, which is a motorized tank. It goes at a constant speed. I'm going to be having it go from one side of the table over to the other, where Sammy is going to catch it and turn it off, and you're going to be timing for a couple different types of motion. So here's the baseline motion going from my end towards Sammy. Sammy, you ready? And start, and stop. Okay, and you're timing from when I say start to stop. Okay, so that's going to be our baseline time. Now, next thing if we were in class, I would say, what could I do with this piece of paper to get it to go faster from one side to the other? And some people usually say tilt it up on an incline like that. The problem is this being on a tread, it always goes at a constant speed, so that's not going to work. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the paper with the motion of the tank. And again, start when I say start, stop when I say stop. Sam, are you ready? And start. I forgot to say stop, but we all figured it out. Of course, when she picked it up, that's when you're supposed to say stop. And of course, you realize it went a lot faster. So this is sort of like a boat moving with the current. The velocities combine. Okay, so then I would ask you, what could I do with the piece of paper to get the tank to move slower going across? And hopefully you would say, move it backwards. So we're going to try that one as well. Are you ready, Sam? And start. Wait, and stop. Go. Okay, and so that time is like a boat going against the current. The velocities go against each other. In fact, if you notice, when I was pulling the paper back at just the right velocity, it almost seemed like the tank wasn't moving at all. The velocities actually canceled. Okay, so now we're going to do it like the problem we've been going over, where the tank's going to be going this way. When it gets to, I'm going to move the paper that way, and Sam's going to be standing over there to see what happens with this sort of motion. Again, start when I say start, stop when I say stop. Sam, are you ready? Yeah. And start. Stop. And that was the last motion, just like the boat going with the current at right angles to it.